Shenzhen City, Xingdongtai Electronics Company Limited, established in 2006, is headquartered in Shenzhen and with 3 R&D and manufacturing centers in Shenzhen, Shanghai, and Hunan. After nearly 2 decades, we have developed to be a high-tech enterprise with leading level in the plastic and metal processing industry. We focus on OEM and ODM of precision components for communication connectors, filters, duplexers, automotive, and instrumentation. We are good at processing polymer materials like PTFE, PI, PEI, PEEK, PAI, PFA, FEP, PPO, LCP, and metal materials like brass, beryllium copper, phosphor bronze, Kovar alloy, stainless steel. We also supply PTFE rods and FEP heat shrink tubes. Our products are widely used in communication, automotive, medical, aviation, and defense industries. We are now keeping long-term strategic cooperation with many domestic and worldwide well-known brands. We have built a modern quality management system basing on our stable and mature processing technologies. We are certified with ISO 9001, ISO 14004, IATF 16949, and obtained over 80 patents. Through continuous upgrades, improvement, and optimization, we aim to provide customers with top-level, high-quality, and high-tech products, welcome customers from domestic and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.